Tired of starting your Looker Studio reports from scratch? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use existing reports as templates to build stunning dashboards in minutes. First, find the Looker Studio report you want to use as a base. This could be one you created previously or one shared with you. Once you have your report open, look for the three dots in the top right corner, which opens a menu of options. Click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Make a Copy. This will duplicate the entire report, including all of its charts, graphs, and data connections. A window will pop up asking you to choose the data source for your new report. This is where you connect your own data to the existing template. You can either select an existing data source from the drop-down or create a new one. Once you've connected your data source, your new report will open. Now you can customize it by editing the charts, changing the text, and adjusting the layout to fit your specific needs. Feel free to experiment and personalize the template as much as you like. You can now quickly create consistent, professional reports without having to build everything from the ground up. That's it. You've successfully used the Looker Studio report as a template. Start creating amazing dashboards today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Looker Studio tips and tricks.